Hi, Mela. Hi, Mela. You are on mute, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. Okay, so you are home from school early today, Mela. That's good to know. What subject did you learn at school today?
Um,
Did you learn English?
English.
Oh, English. Okay. Nice. Now, Mela, please make yourself comfortable and I will be sharing my screen now. Okay, so again, yesterday we talked about you being a furniture, right? And you told me you want to be, or if you were to become a furniture, you will be a bed. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Mila, where would you be placed? Where would you be placed, Mila, if you are a bed?
At the room.
Do you want to be put in a bedroom, in the comfort room, in the living room, in the kitchen? Where, Mela? In the garage?
In the room.
Oh, inside the room. Would you be happy, Mela? Would you be happy?
Mm, yeah.
Oh, yes, very happy. I see. Now, why would you be happy? Why?
Um,
Why would you be happy
because
as
I
a
can.
you can? You can what? What can you do if you are a bed? You can. Yes, Nila. Mela, why would you be happy,
Right.
Mela? Okay.
Because I can. Because I can sleep every day.
You can sleep every day. Why do you like sleeping that much, Mela? Do you like to sleep? Do you like to sleep, Mela?
Yeah.
Oh, what time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up?
Um, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know, but early because you went to school. Okay, thank you, Mila. Now let us have this one. We have here writing exercise, and you have to write your answer. Of course, Mila. You have to use full stops, capital letters, question marks where it is necessary. So please start writing your answers now, Mila. Once you're done answering 1 to 5, we will check your answers directly, okay?
Oh, I write it.
Yes. Take your time. Take your time, Mela. Once you're done answering, we will check it directly. So we can move on to another activity as well. Okay, thank you so much, Mila. And I've observed though that even though you put the period, it's too far, Mila. It should be placed here, right after the last letter. Okay, she drew two beautiful flowers. This one is correct. They. Okay, now it's not A, of course, it's E, right? Okay, they like to play football together. Same nila, it must be close. Okay, correct. Now I go for a walk with my parent. This is correct, Mila, but you forgot S. Okay, it should be parents. S, okay. Now, next one. In here, Mila, it's not the pearl wears a lady the necklace. Okay? Because when we say the pearl is the one wearing the lady, Mila, it is incorrect. Wait, I'll translate it to you. The pearl wears a lady.
Viên ngọc trai khoác lên mình một quý cô.
See, it is different from what we want to make, Mela. So it should be the lady wears. Okay, the lady the wears a pearl necklace. Okay, the lady wears a pearl necklace. And for the last one, it's not I may try another skirt. Pila, this one is a question, okay? May I try another skirt? May I try another skirt? Okay, there you have it. Now, just that, Mela, be more mindful and put your period near, okay, near to your last letter. Okay, now let us proceed to another one directly, Mela. In here, you have to read the passage carefully and, of course, fill in the blanks with a suitable word from the box talking about public train. Yes, I like. Just read it aloud, Mela. Read it aloud.
I like to ride on the train because it is fast and 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 clean. Uh,
Okay.
uh,
The carriage. The carriage is air conditioned and
and I don't know.
it is. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the next one first. Mela, the train. The train can carry.
The train can carry many people at one time. Um, it stops at various stations.
Okay.
Usually, there is a long
Long. Do you have an idea, Mela? Okay, it is.
Xếp hàng. Xếp hàng.
Okay, it is
long well.
queue. Queue, Mela. Long queue. Long queue. When we say queue, Mela, when we say queue, Mela, that is a long line of people, okay? Queue. This one, Mela, this one. I've translated it.
Xếp hàng.
Okay, that one. Okay, so usually there is a long queue of people waiting to get on the train. We should always wait for those who want to leave to get to leave the train to get
Uh, Wait.
Of, Mela, of. Okay.
To get off first
First,
before
before we
we drink.
we board, Mela,
Drink.
before we board. Okay. Before we board, which means before you enter the train, Mela, before we board it, we are not allowed to eat or we are not allowed to eat or what?
We are not allowed to eat or drink on the train. Right?
This helps to keep the train.
To keep the train.
Okay.
Wait.
Now, which means, Mela, that this is not clean. Okay, so we will erase this one. Mela, as you can see, we're able to use the word stations, queue, off, drink, and clean. Now we only have three words left. Oh, wait, no, board two. Okay, so can you tell me your answer for one and two, Mela? I like to ride on the train because it is fast and spacious or smooth. What do you think?
Wait. Uh,
Mhm. What is it, Mela?
what to school every day.
Oh, this one first, Mela. This one. Okay, I like to ride on a train because it is fast and is it spacious or smooth? What is the answer? We have two options left,
Uh,
Mela. Spacious or smooth?
I think small.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mela. And when we say smooth, Mela, this is what it means.
trơn tru,
Okay, so it is fast and smooth, which means the carriage is air conditioned and spacious. Do you know what it means when we say spacious, Mela? Spacious? Spacious. What is spacious?
No,
Do you know spacious?
I don't know.
Okay, when we say spacious, Mila, it
No.
means it has a lot of space.
rộng rãi,
Okay,
rộng rãi,
Okay.
just like this one, Mila. Okay, let us go to some pictures. Okay, see, it is very spacious. The living room is spacious, Mila. It has a lot of space. Now, let us move on to how Sam goes to school. Okay, now, what is your answer for the first one, Mela? First picture. What matches here? Can you match it to the given sentences below?
Um. Sam walks to school every day.
Okay, yes, very good. Sam walks to school every day. This is one. Now, how about for the second picture?
Um,
Mhm. What do you think, Mela? Sam walks to school every day. That is correct. What about for the second picture? What matches this one?
I,
What is it, Mela? Yes, Mela. What do you think? Mela? Are you still there, Mela? Can you hear me? Mela, can you hear me, Mela? I can't hear you, Mela. Mela. Oh, okay. I see.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but not so clear, Mela. I can hear you, but not so clear.
Tôi nghe thấy bạn nói, nhưng không rõ lắm.
We'll just
I
continue
can
that
see, I can see the
on Friday.
screen.
Chúng ta sẽ tiếp tục hoạt động đó vào thứ Sáu.
Okay, so you can eat your lunch and relax, Mela. I'll see you on Friday, okay? Thank you so much, Mela. Goodbye, Mela.